Hello everyone, welcome to Ezoic. First off, let's talk about what this tool is. It's a tool that allows us to place ads on our website, okay? It can even be a substitute for typical Google ads. They say it's a smarter way to monetize sites with valuable audiences. They mention that many industry partners use it. They claim to have competitive ads and exclusive brand campaigns. Not sure if it's true, but they show RPM is higher on Mac and Android. It seems Windows RPM was lagging behind in 2021. So yeah. To begin, we click on Get Started. We need to add our page, so let's hit Start with Google to enter our domain. Then we click Continue. Just to let you know, if you want to add a site, click Add Site, okay? It should be your own site, as you'll likely need to add a plugin or something to link one site to another. Got it? You'll need to finish setting up the account and connect your site, alright? To connect the site, you'll need to add a script to the web page, okay? So obviously the website has to be yours. It says Apply for Ads Manager. There, see? We need to connect and complete the setup process, okay? There's the ads section where we should enable the ad tester. What it's doing is basically, well, they show us everything here. All the tools they give us, like ad testing, which ones work better or worse, the ability to create competition, manage ads, place orders, and so on, okay? It gives us more control over the ads. Here we have Ezoic's identity and this Humix section where you can see the videos, shared videos, and revenue, okay? We have here the different information about my videos. It seems we can upload videos too. I think this is a separate section where we can import YouTube videos and put Humix ads on them. Now, on the other hand, within Ezoic, if we go back to Ezoic, we have the analytics section to view platform stats where we can see the revenue, okay? Revenue compared to last year, traffic. We can see all kinds of useful stats, audience behavior, okay? The content, landing pages, and other pages. Obviously, we need to link our site. Right now, as you can see, no site is linked, okay? So we need to link it and all that, but yeah, so that's it. It's that simple. Alright, how does Humix work with Ezoic? Okay, so first let's go to Ezoic and then to Humix. Now, how does this work? Basically, we'll be putting videos on our website, okay? Shared videos don't have to be ours, though it'd be better as we'd earn more. But if not, we have the My Video section, okay? Here we have videos we can import or bring from YouTube. We have the player settings, okay? Video player customization, channel setup, creator networks, okay? An interesting thing is we can share our videos, okay? Share my new videos on the network, okay? This will obviously increase views, okay? But we can also allow our videos to be seen on other websites, okay? And what does that mean? That, well, the income will be split 50-50, okay? And of course, websites using our videos will get traffic. They'll take 50% of the profit and we'll get 50% of the ad revenue from Ezoic and Humix. We'll take the other 50% for creating the video, okay? So I recommend keeping this activated. In the end, if you want everything private, you can turn it all off, right? But that's what I recommend. So what does this mean? It means just as others can use our videos, we can use theirs. And now the real question, what are Humix's earnings? Based on what I've seen, the US market has a revenue of about $2 per thousand views, or even more, okay? You also need to consider that the traffic you'll get on Humix will be lower compared to other platforms. It seems it does pay a bit more, but you should also take into account the niche, right? Making toy videos isn't the same as videos about entrepreneurship or buying houses, you know? Obviously, the entrepreneurship video will pay more as it attracts a higher income audience, right? And therefore, they're more likely to make purchases through the ads. I'm not sure how optimized Humix is for this, but I believe it is, okay? Well, I'm sure content that pays little is better off on Humix than on YouTube. I mean, for uploading to the web, right? But if you have high-paying content, YouTube might be better than Humix. YouTube's more optimized to understand its audience, while Humix isn't as much, you know? So no, it's that simple. Hope that helps. Alright, how can we receive payments from Ezoic? Well, we click this drop down here, go to billing and payments, and it tells us that we're missing tax and payment information. Basically, we need to go to payment settings and configure how we want to be paid, what fees apply, get a brief explanation of everything, and set our payment terms, whether we want it every 30 days or, oh no, not 30, 60 days and so on, what charges we have, and tax information, okay? We need to fill in our country and other details. Once we've done that, we'll be paid monthly, okay? Here it specifies that the next payment will be on April 30th, okay? And I assume it'll be April 30th, May 30th, and so on, okay? The payments will likely be automatic, unless we set it up differently. So that's it. It's that simple. I hope you found this helpful.